Stop wasting time. Want to know how I created this viral Christmas dance delight animation using only CapCut Motion Seedance? And most importantly, the free prompts are waiting for you in the description. Welcome to Annaclicai AI. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how I created this unique collection of dancing banana Santa models. Step 1. Create the master Santa model. Our goal is to create the base model with a fixed pose, shape, and Santa hat. First, head over to Annaclicai.com and find the Christmas animations section. Copy the main prompt right there. Open the CapCut app, go to the AI design section, and paste the main prompt. Critical note: for the model to receive sufficient lighting and texture, you must generate it together with a background. Once generated, use the background remover tool to get a clean, isolated banana Santa model. This is our master model. Step 2. Generate the 7-color collection. Next, we need to create our 7-color collection. We're creating 7 different color versions of the master banana model using simple texture maps. Re-upload your clean master banana model back into the AI tool. Now, copy the 7 texture map shader prompts from Annaclicai.com. I'm using these 7 prompts with different texture map color codes corresponding to the 7 colors of a Christmas bauble. The result: we now have a uniform yet color-diverse Banana Santa New Year collection. Step 3. Prepare the layout for motion. Our next step is to prepare the layout for our motion video. We're setting up to banana models for a couple dance. Open Canva or your preferred photo editing software. Add 2 of your banana models. Use the Edit Adjust features to fine-tune the material and lighting. This is crucial. It helps the AI identify the characters and create a smoother motion. Pro tip: since this is a couple dance, choose 2 characters with clearly distinguishable colors and styles. Download the file as a PNG with a transparent background. Step 4. Generate the motion video. Time for the magic. Open CapCut PC and navigate to the AI video or CapCut Seedance feature. Head back to Annaclicai.com and copy the couple dance motion prompts. Option 2. Paste one combined file. This is the one we want. Import the single image file of the 2 models standing close together. Amazing! The AI has created a couple dance with real connection there, even holding hands. Save this file immediately. Step 5. Final polish and editing and outro. Our final step: polishing the video. We'll start with the background in Canva. Go to Elements and search for 3D Display Background White Neon Lights. Drag it into position as your background. Add your final visual effects. Add appropriate music and name your project Christmas Dance Delight. And there you have it. AI video is truly fast, clean, and beautiful. Don't forget to check all the links and the free prompts in the description below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Annaclicai for more unique design ideas.